Hi friends, in this video I'm going to walk you through a new plugin I built called Icon Keyword Tagger. So it generates searchable keywords for your icons so that they're easier to find later. The plugin takes into account how the icon looks, the icon's name, and any existing keywords or rather description that the icon might already have. So after you purchase the plugin, which is a one-time payment of $3, you'll also get a playground file that you can use to test it out. So let's try it. We're going to open up the playground file. And you're going to see the plugin window right here, but then you will also have 5 test icons. So let's open the plugin, and you'll need to select the icons that you want to generate keywords for. And as you can see, none of them currently have a description. Then you can select the number of keywords that you want to generate, and you can also decide whether or not you want to replace the current description. Then once you click Generate Keywords, it's going to take some time to come up with the keywords. Then you can also test it out, just go to the description and confirm that the keywords indeed are showing up. And another thing that you can do is that if you see a word that maybe does not fit, or you thought of a different word that could be a good keyword, you can edit it directly in the plugin. So for example, let's add a word here. You can also delete a word. Then if you decide to add more words, you can do that as well, and you can see that all the previous ones are preserved. And if you want to start completely from scratch, you can check this checkbox, and you'll just get the 2 keywords. And then when you go and search for your icons, either by using the Shift+I window or by going to the Assets tab, and then let's search for like a date, you'll see the relevant icon pop up. That's basically it. I've been using this to generate keywords for over 1,000 icons we have here at Webflow, and it's been a huge time saver, especially for icons that have feature-specific names instead of more general ones. Hope you find it useful too, and let me know if you have any feedback.